Ta-da! Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing brand new Nano-SIM phone 4A Pro unbox and hands-on video. We will give you our hands-on expressions, details, specifications, breakdown, and a comprehensive real-world compare test. So this time we have 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM silver color. So next, let's jump straight into the unboxing. This latest mid-range device from Nano-SIM. Starting with the box, it's that iconic minimalist pure white packaging with Nano-SIM signature logo on the front. Super clean and sleek. Peel off the seal and lift the lid. The phone is, whoa. Its phone is in front of us. Okay, we can find the camera zone, camera part. And before we check the device, we'll check the accessories first. So this is our stuff in the box, the smartphone, and underneath the smartphone we find another package. Okay, so here we can find the transparent case. Here's the menu, USB C to C cable. Okay, multi-link USB menu, the quick start guide. Okay, and this is the cable, white carbon fiber material, USB-C to USB-C cable, and it is well placed in the transparent case. Nice. And also you get a SIM card ejector pin. It's also full of classical Nano-SIM design, but this time there's no wall charger, which now is standard for Nano-SIM now. Okay, so this is all the stuff and all the accessories inside the box. And now we're holding the Nano-SIM phone 4A Pro. Whoa, the back has a matte translucent finish with the brand's iconic Glyph interface. The customized LED light strip for notification. And compared to last generation, now they use the metal frame and no transparent element we cannot find this time. It shifts from Nano-SIM's iconic transparent plastic bag, and this time adopts a premium minimalist metal unibody design, sleek, mature, and more mainstream focused. Besides the design, this time they also upgraded a lot. The specification, the camera part, and also Glyph interface. So let's do the quick settings and go to the system. Like the flat, lightweight frame is comfortable to grip for a long time with a slim side bezel and the centered front punch hole camera. And also the mid-Glyph interface. This is easy for the most eye-catching design. And also the metallic back. Also this and the fingerprint makes it practical for daily use and alongside with the unique look. And this is a special essential key. Call recognition, flipped Glyph. Okay, essential key. For the essential key, you can capture your thought on the go with the power of AI. Press and hold essential key to capture the screen. Keep holding to record a video. So this is pretty nice. And also this remind me another phone from the brand called Smartly. This is very nice and practical buttons for the office people. And now they use the new OS 4.0. They also have some updates for the system. And we will choose the classical Nano-SIM OS. It's very simple and unique. Okay, and here are more features. So choose your visual style. You can choose Nano-SIM or default Android. So let's choose the Nano-SIM. Okay, this is another big feature about the Nano-SIM phone. Whoa, nice design. The rear camera's module is arranged in a neat vertical bar, keeping the whole design clean and cohesive. Here's the second screen, the real screen, and for the front side, Use the 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color and DR10 Plus support. It is vibrant, sharp, and super smooth for scoring, gaming, and watching videos. Now, first let's check the Glyph interface. The Glyph matrix consists of 137 mini LEDs, 57% larger, and 3000 nit brightness. So we can use this Glyph matrix to do the custom light patterns for calls, notifications, charging, and also it can display times, battery level, timer, and more. Okay, now we can adjust the brightness of the Glyph matrix. Okay, sorry, let's go back. Yes, here. This is the place to adjust the brightness, and also we can get the ringtones, the notification, and get different pattern. And this one is to flipped Glyph. Okay, it's very funny. So when you receive a call notification, or even when you charge the phone, the light animate in soft, smooth patterns. You can customize which application trigger, which light effect, so you can tell what kind of notification you're getting just by looking at the back without even turning on the screen. Now it shows the time. So for the green LED light, it just and the style isn't just a style choice. It's a whole new way to interact with your phone. Pretty cool. And truly, this makes the Nano-SIM phone for a Pro instantly recognizable. Okay, so pretty cool and fully and with full of function. Okay, so now let's go to settings to get more information about the device. It's powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip paired with 12GB RAM plus 256GB RAM and support UFS 3.1 and LPDDR5. This setup can deliver smooth multitasking, lag-free app performance, and solid gaming for most mobile games. The battery is packaged at 5500 mAh battery with 33W fast wireless charging and using the phone from 0 for 100% in under 45 minutes. And it runs in Nano-SIM OS based on Android 16. And it also supports side-mounted fingerprint unlock and stereo speaker and 5G connectivity, NFC, and a reliable audio system. So it's a fully loaded mid-range package for daily life. And all this time it just get a 7.95mm thickness and weight 210 grams. It's a solid premium film. There are 3 colors for users to choose: silver, black, and pink. And this time we have the silver color. Okay, so these are the main features about the Nano-SIM phone 4a Pro. And next I'm going to show you the details about the camera part. The Nano-SIM phone 4a Pro has a 50MP IS main camera, 8MP wide angle lens, and 2MP macro lens on the back, and also the front camera still support to 32MP. And this time for the phone, the camera system support updated a lot, and which is the core image highlight of this ranged flagship model. It's carried a well-rounded triple rear camera setup. The main 150MP Sony made primary camera with a aperture f1.88 large aperture with OIS optical image stabilization and a larger 1.56-inch sensor. This hardware foundation ensures the camera can capture ample light, laying a solid base for sharp and high-quality photos. Alongside is get an 8MP wide-angle lens with 120 fields of view, and also perfect for capturing expensive landscape group photos and architectural scenes. And also setup is completed by a 2MP macro lens dedicated to shooting tiny, dedicated close-up details. And now we can find more about the camera part, and we can also get some pictures test across different skins. So first, let's do the desktop camera test. Okay, we can zoom to check the real color and the color in the phone, so it's a bit difference. Okay, to put this aside, and then okay, let's go to the camera to check the front camera. And they use the 32 megapixel high resolution front camera with a larger f2.0 aperture designed to capture bright, clean, and natural selfie even in middle or long light environment. Okay. Again, it can take a beautiful selfie with a softer, smooth background blur. Okay. Okay, not zoom. Okay. Here, okay, video. For the front video front, it's about 4K 30 FPS, ultra high definition video recording, and with EIS electronic image stabilization for smooth, steady handheld footage. So this is a very quick and simple test of the camera part, desk camera part. And next, we do a long distance, no short distance camera test with actual photos. Okay, let me show you the object out of my window. Sorry, it's on the desk first, and then out of window is a lab. Okay, wide angle. Nice. Zoom in. Zoom in. Okay. Not so smooth. Yes. Okay. And zoom to the maximum. 140 times digital zoom. Okay, for video. Yes, very smooth. And I put some pictures at the end of the video so you can check the sample qualities. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. After we're shooting the lamp on the desk, we can shoot object out of my window, and it's much far away from me, and we can do this test again. Okay. Again, this you can see how far away the object or the things we want to capture or far away from me is really long distance. So this is the details of the camera qualities. Okay. And the selfie. Okay. So what do you think of the Nano-SIM Phone 4a Pro? Do you like it? Comment and let me know thought. Bye bye.